Wooldridge yn llac syth at Williams. Williams yn disgwyl y rhediad gan Fawcett. A mae'n mlaen at Fawcett, yr ongl yn anodd ar arbediad gan Fuller. Mae'n chwarae da gan Danny Williams, y camgymeriad yn wreiddiol gan Bradley Wooldridge yn ildio'r meddiant. Bas ymlaen yn hollti'r amddiffyn, Williams yn cyrraedd y bêl gynta, mae'n troi heibio i Wooldridge, a mae'n mynd i'r llawr a mae'n mynd i fod yn gic o'r smotyn i Hwlffordd. Y penderfyniad cywir yn fy marn i, oedd Williams tu hwnt i Wooldridge i gyflymdra a'i gryfder yn allweddol. A Wooldridge yn tynnu'r blaenwr bach i'r llawr. Williams yn erbyn Fuller. A Williams yn claddu'r bêl i gornel ucharrwyd. Seithfed gôl y tymor i'r dyn ar fenthyg o Gaerdydd. A mae'r adar gleision ar y blaen. Hwlffordd 1, Met Caerdydd dim. Dyma Lewis Rhys, lle o'i flaen ydy wedi mynd am ergyd, ydy! O, a gaida'n arbed. Ergyd nerthol Lewis Rhys o 10 llath ar hugen. Yn twymo menig Wojciech Gaida.
Wayne, the proverbial game of two halves. Did you think you deserved the 3 points?
Yeah, I think so. You know, obviously it took us a penalty to gain the 3 points, but, you know, I thought our discipline and organisation first half, you know, was second to none. We knew then they'd come out the second half, backs against the wall, and, you know, sometimes to gain 3 points, you've got to defend well, and that's what we've done. You don't necessarily have to score all the time, so, you know, in the context of that, I thought we felt we deserved it.
Probably a cliched game of two halves, but I thought, you know, we weren't good enough first half. We lacked that little bit of energy, a little bit of fight in the first half, and we got rightly what we deserved. But second half, it was all us on the front foot, and only looked like one winner. But fair play to Harvey West, you know, they held on at the end.
And an important result in the race for the top 6, Wayne.
yeah, it's massive for us. You know, we said that going into it. You know, obviously we're just chipping away. We've got a really tough running coming. So taking nothing for granted. You know, it's one ticked off, and again we go Tuesday night, and fingers crossed, you know, we get 3 points.
Following today's defeat, are your hopes over reaching the top 6?
No, but again, this is obsession with the top 6, and we got to finish in 7th. So maybe sometimes that's the easiest route, I don't know. But no, you keep working, we'll keep going hard as best we can. We'll work hard and train this week. We've got Newtown next week, which will be another big game, and then we push on, and then try to get as many points as you can towards the end of the season.